Sup guys, welcome back to a new episode of Jimmy's No Garage. Yeah, I know I haven't got the time to paint the front bumper. I know that I have to finish up old projects, but I just can't resist buying new parts, you know? The car now looks so aggressive, and I started thinking, what can I do to the rear to make it more balanced? My answer to that was a diffuser. So I went online and looked at different pictures. This looks quite traditional and functional, but I don't like how it pokes out in the rear. This one's made for the NA Miata, but I just don't feel it. People will also do crazy stuff like putting a diffuser from another car onto the Miata, like the Lotus or like NC Miata diffuser onto the NA. And then I saw this beautiful Mamiya Rx-7 diffuser fitted to the Miata. And then I said to myself, this is it, I wanna get it. Of course I'm not gonna get the authentic one because it's gonna cost more than the Miata. So I looked it up on Extreme Dimensions and it's out of stock. So I looked for other options and I found this Rocket Bunny Diffuser for the Rx-7 and I was like, the Miata and the Rx-7 are both from Mazda. They might have the same butt. So I used my limited Photoshop skills to transfer the diffuser onto one of my pictures, and I like it a lot. I didn't even know if my muffler would clear the diffuser, but I decided to get it anyway. I gotta be honest with you, I kinda regret this purchase. These are just some fiberglass boards and it doesn't require any kinds of mold. I could have used the money to buy plastic and cut it myself. Never mind. The side plates aren't identical. It's 18.5 inches on the right side and 17 inches on the left side. But hey, I know what I got myself into. My bumper and side skirts are both from Duroflex. Plus, the diffuser is not made for the Miata and I have to trim it anyway, so... Starting from the middle. As expected, it looked like ass because I cannot fit it into the bumper. So the next thing I do was trimming the bumper like everybody else. Oh my god, I was removing my bumper and this fell off. What? Yes, what the hell? Dang. The side plates looks pretty good, but unfortunately Miata butt is too rounded. When you look at it at the back, there's like a big hole. So I gave up the idea of using it. Here I am at the Home Depot getting some hardware. Now let's really try to install the diffuser. You can see that I've mounted the diffuser onto the black bumper thing. Now I want to decide the angle of the diffuser with the floor jack. I've read that the angle of the diffuser should not exceed 10 degrees, so I'm gonna measure it out. I don't have a fancy electronic protractor, so I'm just gonna eyeball it. Put it on the ground and use my eyes. Eyeball. OK， 10度向上，定啲嚟。OK, 10 degrees. These metal strips are temporary. I'm not gonna worry about the fitment too much. How am I gonna drill the hole? The exhaust is in the way. Luckily, there's a bolt hole on the top. It's also threaded and I can use a 10mm bolt to it. So easy, man. The diffuser is on.
1 winner later.
Now I'm going to replace these strips with splitter rods. One end to the bracket and the other end to the diffuser. I got this dual exhaust tip from China, from Taobao, which is like an Alibaba equivalent. The experience of getting this is actually pretty awesome because these are actually made to order and I can choose like what diameter, what kind of finish for the carbon fiber, and how do you want the Y pipe to be welded. If I'm to get this on eBay, it will easily cost me $150. So now I got myself a nice muffler and I'm gonna bring it to the muffler shop so that they can weld me a center exit exhaust. The car's ready. Okay, I just got home, so let's take a look at it. I kept the Manso meat pipe on the car, and from there, I asked them to build it from the axle back. I don't know much about welding, but the welds are, okay. The exhaust tip didn't look very straight, maybe like 2mm off, but that's fine. This is what I meant when I said that they're not identical. These boards are hollow in the middle to save weight, I guess. After trimming it, I have to fill the hole again. Now I'm gonna put on the smaller two plates that came with the kit. I'll need to match the angle or it will look terrible. I think I might be the first guy putting the Rocket Bunny Diffuser onto a Miata, and that's something. This whole project started with a picture, a Photoshop picture, and being able to turn an idea into reality is really satisfying. I hope that you enjoyed this video, and now let's listen to the exhaust.
Brainstroming.